Hi guys, so you understand my frustration with trying to close my trades. What happened? What happened? Basically, I'm in these silver trades that you can see here, and I'm basically going to be the first person to jump back into the market the moment the market opens on a Sunday evening, South African time. How did I get myself in this fix where I can't close my trades? Load shedding. For those that don't know what load shedding is, it's actually called power outages. The rest of the world, I think, calls it power outages. So we are actually having some challenges with power here in South Africa this past week. So what happened was I placed my trades. Obviously, silver I bought because I saw what was happening on the dollar index there. Now the dollar index has kind of retraced back into this resistance, so that's why if you go on silver you saw it popping down a bit like that. And so getting back to, I tend to digress. So I had these trades that were open. Unfortunately for me, then I was looking at the trades, and I forgot to look at the load shedding timetable. For the death of me, I just forgot to look at the load shedding timetable. Then I decided, let me go out as the power went out. Let me go out. It's Friday night. Let me just go out. I'll manage my trades on my phone. I'll find somewhere with a good, nice, relaxed environment, a good Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Went there. Unfortunately, my phone also died. So when the power actually came back and I rushed home, that was just as the market closed, and you run to your chart, and I promise you this is macOS MT4 takes forever to load when you are trying to just get in and close your trades, because it's a weekend, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. It's a weekend. I don't know what's going to happen with these trades. You can see some swap there. I don't know what's going to happen with these trades when market opens. This is the dollar index. If the market opens above here, above there, then certainly if I get a huge gap, certainly these trades are certainly going to be in a loss. But if the dollar index does respect this resistance area that I have there, and actually pushes down and maybe gaps down, maybe we open the market with a gap to the downside, then obviously I'll be smiling cheek to cheek, because then silver would have jumped up. So yeah, it's that trap that I'm in, that I did not intend to actually be in. I think I should have paid more attention to the load shedding schedule in my area, but it's Friday. I got lost track of things, and unfortunately this is a situation that I am in. I don't know what's going to happen when the market opens. Maybe I'm going to cry, whether maybe I'm going to smile. I don't know what's going to happen when the market opens on Sunday, South African time. I think here are some tips that I've learned from this incident. Something that I've learned from this incident is during this power outages thing that's going on, what you don't want to do is you don't want to be trading with a short-term mentality. I think that's also key. I can imagine if somebody is scalping, you are scalping and you've got your big positions open, then power suddenly booms, your Wi-Fi is off, your laptop is off, your phone is doesn't have internet connection, and you're out. So I think if you want to be trading this load shedding as well, probably shift to higher time frames. That's something that I have also learned from this. So I think for some time I managed to survive that time during the load shedding, although I did not end up being able to close my trades, but you can fairly survive trading during the load shedding if you are trading higher time frames. The scalping is very easy. You are having your fun, you are scalping, and then boom, power is out, you have no more internet connection, and those profitable trades suddenly turn negative against you. So that's something to think about and pay attention to what's happening. I don't know why I got sidetracked and forgot that we had load shedding that's coming on, and so I should have paid more attention and should have closed these trades, because like I said in a video that I posted on this channel, you can go and watch that video on this channel. You don't want to hold trades for too long this December as well, because let's face it, the guys that moved the market, they are going away on holiday. So you don't want to hold trades for any longer than you should. Don't hold trades for any longer than you should, because there's not going to be enough volume and volatility in the markets. When the hedge fund guys are out of the market, the big bank guys are out of the market, they are busy in the Caribbean, Bahamas, wherever they go to spend their annual bonuses and stuff. So the guys that are going to be moving the markets most likely are just guys who just managed to have just an extra $1 million, extra $1 billion, and they just want to move the market which way they want to do that. So yeah, this is the situation that I'm in. I just thought let me just share it and maybe we can laugh about it together. I don't know if you are also if you have also experienced this, the challenges of trading during a load shedding. How have you been trading during these power outages? How have you managed to plan around trading during the load shedding? How are you doing it? Are you finding it difficult? Are you managing? How are you doing it? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below if you are looking to download free forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. Courses, everything that people are selling out there, you can download using the links in the description box below for free on our blogs. So yeah, go ahead and see what's in the description box below. So yeah, this is me just looking at my silver trades that I cannot close, the trades that I cannot close, and potentially might actually be in a loss if the market opens with a gap that's below here. The market does tend to come and fill up the gaps, but sometimes by the time the market comes to fill that gap, you will have been taken out by the drawdown, because it might actually come all this way before it eventually comes to fill whatever gap it would have opened. Like this scenario, you might actually see the market gapping down, and then but sometimes it's not as even short as this. Sometimes it might actually go a long time before it eventually comes and fills that gap, but it usually does come and fills any gaps that are developed over weekends. So yeah, this is what I have. Leave your comments, your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are also trading this December with load shedding and stuff, I would like to hear from you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.